this ChatGPT hack will make your life easy. So let's send this message, and I can show you some special hack of ChatGPT. So you will know, or you will know, I don't know. So this will give me the 3 variants of the 3. Now I go to ChatGPT, simply click on enter, and I simply type P, and I simply type 3, and I simply write, may I go out, sir. I simply send it on ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will give me the 3 variants of this. You can see that. How can this is possible? Simply write shortcut. So shortcut make us our life so easy. So getting this P3 typing and get our output. So for this we go to setting. I made a shortcut of this. Here you can see I go to setting and go to personalization, and here you can see go to custom instruction, and I simply provide this prompt. When I become my prompt with the following letter, please follow this instruction. Ask me the qualification. So this is the response. So 3 means give 3 output option to my prompt. So I use P3. Give me 10 output option to my prompt. This is the prompt. This is the shortcut that I use. This is for only for your demo. I can show you. I use different type of shortcut, so I can show you also. So this is only for your teaching. So you can also use. You can screenshot, or you can use it for try it. If you try use any shortcut, give 10 output option to my prompt. So I simply type P3, and I simply type help me please, and I simply send it. You can see that we got 10 response of this. I think this is the instruction for give 10 output of output. So we need to use in new chat, so it work. This is the shortcut that I want to teach you. The second shortcut will be this one. I simply type C, and this will be on search ChatGPT. So I can type any question, so it can directly open our ChatGPT. What is father? I simply search it. I think it will not open. ChatGPT has removed this feature. So in the previous month it can work this, but nowadays it doesn't work. ChatGPT have removed this function. I can show you with I simply type B, so it will now search on Bing Copilot. What is father? So it will now search on Bing Copilot. Here you can see Bing chat send query, and it will automatically send this message to Copilot of Microsoft. You can see that what is father. Now it will send directly, and it can give us the answer. If I want to search the same question to perplexity, I simply type P and simply enter. So it is now open perplexity and search that question on what is father. So it will search this question on perplexity. You can say that. How this is possible? So for this I go to on setting. I can show you. Go to setting and search manage search, MANAGE, and search. You can see that. Click on this I simply made a shortcut of this. For when I type B, the shortcut of B for search engine Bing Copilot, and the search URL will be this. So you simply need to write bing.com start send query, and this will be search function. For perplexity, simply perplexity, and the shortcut will be P, and the answer query will be this. So when somebody type like P and give as a space, so it can search on the perplexity. You can see now we got answer. Let's cross this. I think we got an answer, a male parent of child. So this is the hack you can use in your life to get productivity, so it can boost your time, anything. If you use, you can add many site as possible, so you can edit. This is for your teaching purpose. Next time I also come with different